How to get December dump at your sticker on Instagram story. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get December dump add your sticker on Instagram story. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, make sure to update your Instagram app from Google Play Store or App Store. Let me just get inside and click on your story section on the plus icon, click on camera, and then let me just click a random picture here, and then now you have to click on sticker icon and click on add yours, and here you have to write DEC December DUMP December dump. Click on done option and then you can just share to your story. You can see here, just hold on and it's done. So this is how you can get December dump add your sticker on Instagram story. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.